morning, children. Today we are back to discuss the revision tweak, that is the Narayana revision classes T of dated 9th class 8th social studies. Topic is reading and analysis of the maps. Okay, so reading and analysis of the maps. Already we know that the Sumerians and the Babylonians were the first people to prepare the maps, and later the map making has become a very important tool for recognizing the resources and for the extraction of the resources. As a part of that, many map makers, they used the latitudes and longitudes which were made useful for the preparation of the maps. And Ptolemy was a famous personality. Based upon the books of the Ptolemy, the Arabian map makers also, they prepared the maps. One such Arabian map maker who has prepared the map especially showing the north at the bottom and south at the top of the map. Who was he? He was none other than the Al-Idirsi. One more important feature of Al-Idirsi map was because he was from Arabia, he has shown Arabia prominently in the map. So who was the person or who was the map maker who has shown Arabia prominently in the map? That is Al-Idirsi. The first answer is Al-Idirsi. Al-Idirsi. What is the option for that, children? Al-Idirsi. What is the option? Option C. Al-Idirsi was the answer for this question. Okay, children. And later, after that, not only Arabian map makers, but there were so many map makers. And the European map makers, they wanted to prepare the maps in order to help out all the people, especially the sailors. And even the sailors, those who are sailing around the world, they will come back and they will give the detailed information to the map makers such that the map makers can prepare perfect maps. But here, based upon the information, the map which was made by the Europeans, it has shown India as smaller than Sri Lanka. So what is the reason? What is the reason that India was shown smaller than Sri Lanka? Because these sailors, they don't have the knowledge of the interior parts of the India. They reached on to Sri Lanka, up to there only they have come to know, and that is the reason they don't know about the interior parts detailedly. Hence, they have shown India very smaller than the Sri Lanka. So what is the reason why India was shown smaller than the Sri Lanka? What is the reason? Because they don't know about the interior parts. They don't know the interior parts. That is the reason. Okay, children. So this is the answer for that question. And now let us discuss about the next one. That is after that the Europeans also prepared the maps, and the Europeans especially, they prepared the maps. Earlier Europeans, they prepared the maps based upon the Bible. The Bible has shown mainly 3 continents. What are the 3 continents? Asia, Africa and Europe. Asia, Africa and Europe. All the continents were shown. Hence, the answer is D, all. D, all. The European maps which were made based upon the Bible has shown Africa, Europe and Asia perfectly. And the next one is these European map makers, they give prominence for Asia. They have shown Asia very prominently, and because it is the birthplace of Jesus Christ. So the next question is that only, what is the birthplace of Jesus Christ? The birthplace of Jesus Christ. What is the birthplace? The birthplace of Jesus Christ is Jerusalem. Jerusalem is the birthplace of Jesus Christ, which is in Asia. Which is in Asia. Okay, children. And now, based upon all this information, perfect maps were made by Mercator. That is Gerardus Mercator. He was known as the father of the Dutch cartography. He was known as the father of Dutch cartography. Now, Mercator, he belongs to which country? That is the question. Already you know that he was the father of Dutch cartography. Then, Dutch people means which country? Holland. Dutch people means which country? That is Holland. So, B, Holland is the answer for that. Now, to exploit or to understand the resources of a particular area, the colonization began simultaneously. The colonizers, they started using the maps. As a part of that, the Britishers, those who have colonized India, they have established one particular department for the surveying and also for understanding to locate all the resources. What is the department appointed by them? The department appointed by them is Survey of India. The department is Survey of India. So the Survey of India was the department appointed by him, and James Riddell was the first person. Like this, so many survey generals were appointed. They have located all the resources. They made the maps based upon the resources. They made the people to understand about the resources, and they have exploited the resources. This is Survey of India. Survey of India, right, children? And so, as already I told you that the Dutch cartographer, that is Mercator. So, this Gerardus Mercator, he is very famous for his projections. His method of projections were famous as the Gerardus Mercator's projections. So, you need to explain about the Mercator's projections. Why did he prepare these projection maps? What is the reason? To help the sailors. Because at that particular time, the map makers, they made all the maps to help the sailors. Understand what shapes and distances. The shapes of the continents and distances. To understand these things, he has done the method. This method is called famously as the Mercator's projection. Mercator's projection. Okay, children. And this Mercator's projection, what did he do? He has what did he do? He has shown all the correct shapes. He has shown all the correct shapes and directions. For that, what did he do? He distorted the sizes and the distances. What did he do? Distorted the sizes and the distances on the shapes, such that we can, that means the large one, the small one, like that, he distorted the sizes and the shapes such that the sailors can understand. Like this was famous as the Mercator's projections. Mercator's projections. Now, that means as a part of the Survey of India, a department which was established, the surveyor generals, they started doing so many surveys. One very important survey that took place in India was the survey that took place by the Lambton. What is the importance of that is, what is the importance of that? First of all, the importance of that is, in the year 1802, Lambton started the survey from Chennai. What is the purpose? The purpose is to measure the heights and the length of the longitudes. The length of the longitudes. To measure the heights and the length of the longitudes. The objective is to measure the heights and the length of the longitudes. And for that purpose, he started his survey from Chennai and extended up to Himalayas, because Himalayas are considered as the highest ones. And Chennai, it is the sea level. It is the sea level. So from the sea level up to the highest area, he has taken up the survey. And actually, this was completed by Everest. It was completed by Everest, and in his name only the Mount Everest was named. It was named in his name only. George Everest completed this, and his name only this was concluded. Why they have taken Chennai? Because Chennai is the sea level. So these are the questions and answers. This is the key for 9th dated for 8th class. Tomorrow we will meet with one more key. Until then, children, good day and have a nice day.